Are you looking to sell your automotive business? The process can be challenging, but with the right approach, it can be done smoothly and efficiently. Start by getting your financials in order. Potential buyers will want to see up-to-date financial statements and tax returns to gain a clear understanding of the financial health of your business. This will help them make an informed decision and increase the chances of a sale. Next, conduct market research to understand the current trends and what buyers are looking for in the automotive industry. This will help you price your business competitively and market it effectively. Presentation is key, so make sure your business premises are clean, well-maintained, and up to date. This will make a great first impression on potential buyers. Create a comprehensive marketing package that includes high-quality photographs, detailed information about the business, and its financials. This will help you market your business effectively to potential buyers. Utilizing online platforms, such as No Agent Business, can also be a great way to connect with potential buyers and facilitate communication throughout the sales process. Make use of your contacts and personal network. It can be a valuable way to get your business in front of potential buyers. Timing is everything, so consider the right time to sell your business. This may include events such as the end of a lease or a change in the market. Don't forget to consult with legal and financial professionals to ensure that the sale of your business is done correctly and efficiently. Selling a business takes time and effort, but with a well-planned strategy and the right tools, you can sell your automotive business quickly and for top dollar. Thank you for watching and good luck with the sale of your business.